A successful installation always requires careful preparation. When you are 50 metres above the ground, it is far too late to begin to consider the tools you will be needing. Antenna installation requires some preparation and input information. You will need to have available the heading or direction of radiation information. You need to know the antenna types, height and position information. Additional equipment that is to be installed, feeder routes and installation hardware, and you will need to have available the recommended tools and climbing equipment. The Ericsson antenna product range includes omnidirectional antennas, sector or directional antennas, and parabolic reflectors, usually a part of Minilink. Antennas may be mounted on buildings, for example walls, short poles. They could be mounted on masts, or even large towers. Antennas should ideally be hidden if they are to be seen by the general public. For example, can you find the antenna in this picture? Here it is. The installer will also meet ancillary tower-mounted equipment, such as amplifiers, but they are all, in principle, variations on the same theme: connections to antennas at the top and connections to feeders at the bottom.